Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cactus Christmas tree. So let's get started. To draw this cute Christmas tree, let's first start by drawing the pot that the cactus is in. So I'm going to come right here and just start with a straight line. About right there. I'm going to make my pot and I'm going to bring it down with a slight angle. And I'm going to do this on both sides. And then, let's see here, we'll round it off a little bit and then connect it. And then let's come down, just come in a little bit, and I'm going to give another slight angle, about that much. Same thing over here. Just your basic pot. And about right there, going to go ahead and connect it with a slight curve. There. Okay, so I have my pot in. You know what, let's decorate it, right? Or should we do that later? Let's do that later. Let's draw in all the basic stuff first, right? Okay, so let's draw our tree. So I'm going to come right to the center and I'm drawing your very basic cactus. So just one tall curve that's going to go up. I really hope this inspires you. I'm going to come around about right here and bring it right back down. Come up with your own cactus Christmas tree. Okay, so I have one big center, and then I'm going to come about right here and draw an arm that comes out. So I can't wait to see your fan art and what kind of a cactus Christmas tree you draw. But this is all meant to inspire you. There's no right or wrong way to draw this. I just love this Christmas tree. It's just so cute and fun. So we're going to draw another arm right here. And that is your basic cactus in a pot, right? Now to spruce it up and make it Christmassy. Let's come to about right here. And I'm going to draw a circle for eye, of course. We have to bring this cactus to life, right? So we're going to draw a small circle here and come right across about right here. And do the same thing. They're a bit too small for Draw So Cute eyes, unfortunately, so I'm just going to make them regular eyes. So let's come right here with a highlight and shade it all in. And same thing here. So just a little highlight and shade it in. And then let's come to the top. We're going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And of course, a sweet smile. So right in between, I'm going to give it a slight curve. And let's make our cactus super happy. So add a curve at the bottom. And you come in here and curve in there for a tongue and shade this all in. Okay, so now our cactus is alive. So let's come to the top and add a big star for our cactus. So right there we got the base, and then we're going to come right in the center. We're going to start to draw 5 angles, kind of like drawing a flower, right? And we're going to go up, up, center, and then one more. So if you need help drawing stars, definitely check out my How to Draw Stars, Draw So Cute. How to draw stars. Hopefully that will help you. Okay, so then from there, let's see. Let's add a big ornament right here. So I'm going to loop it around. Give it a little loop. The little head for our ornament, and I'm going to draw our ornament here. So of course you can draw whatever you like of like I said, to decorate your Christmas tree. And one more here. So let's see here, maybe about here. Loop. And the head part of our ornament. And then maybe just a little basic circle. And let's add a curve right here. And it's spruced up. And now let's add some lights. So I'm going to come right across and You know what? I'm going to start with my circles first. Since I don't want to erase, I can't erase, so I'm just going to go ahead and string these circles together. Got one, and then, okay, this one, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and go this way. And I'll put the circles underneath. That way I don't have to draw the circles first. And maybe one here. And let's keep going, so about one right here. And let's keep going. Of course, we have to decorate the arms, so let's right here. And add some more. And one here. And this side as well, so say about right here. And one here. And let's see, one here maybe. And here. So as you notice with these string lights right here, if you like, you can pop out these curves. So right here, you can pop it out so it looks like it's actually wrapping around, or you can just leave it as a curve. It's all up to you. If you want to make it look like it's wrapped around, you can just add a little curve on the edges. Okay, so the lights are in, and then let's add some presents right here. So I'm just going to draw a very basic present. Just give a little angle right there, a little bow. And a stripe right there. So same thing over here. Maybe this one goes this way and this way. Just something simple to fill up the space. And let's decorate our pot. So right in the center, I'm going to add a big bow. Just going to center circle. Just add your basic bow right here. That big stripe going across. And maybe we can add some hearts here, or you can add some holly berries. It's all up to you. But I'm just going to put a heart. 3 of them. Okay, and then so now to add some details to the cactus here, let's come right here and we're going to add some prickles. So just here and there randomly, just add these angles. Just make it look like it's prickly. It is a cactus, right? So make some here, it kind of sticks out about right here, here and there. Doesn't have to be too complicated, but we just wanted to make it look like it is a cactus. Okay, and then for some detail lines right here, you can do this when you're coloring, or you can do this with your Sharpie or pencil. We're just going to draw lightly these lines that come in. Try and do this as lightly as possible. And maybe one more here. And of course, the main stem. So right in the from the center, we're going to go right. This part's so scary. I'm literally drawing a line right through the cactus. So just try to do as light as possible. So if this is too scary for you because it's so harsh, definitely do this when you're coloring, like maybe with like a darker green. And all the way down. There. Now it looks like a cactus, right? And of course, let's add some sparkle to our star. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this festive cactus turned out and that inspires you to draw for the holidays. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.